Hello guys, Adrian from askhowtube again. Today I'm gonna make a totally different video of how to think of a solution to fix a purse. Yeah, a purse is broken. I don't know if I can fix it or not, but I'm gonna make this video trying to fix it, okay? Let's see what we can do. So, as you can see here, my friend just asked me if I can mend her purse. It came out of this hole, so it's not doing the job properly anymore. Now we need somehow to take this bit out, but you can't see anything in here. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna very carefully cut this line here to take this piece of material away. Yeah, so I'm gonna put something, I'm gonna use a tool or I don't know what to get inside to take this out, to open it, because we need a new spring inside and a bigger washer. So yeah, I'm gonna film step by step as usually. Wish me luck. So now what we need to do, we need to cut this out, because I need to open it from here. I need access inside there. So guys, as you can see, purse is fixed. To be honest, I didn't know I would be able to do it, but I tried. So, how I did it? There's something about me. So, as an advice, I'll always say to everyone, don't give up. If you really want to do something and if you put your mind to it, if you are a bit stubborn in that direction and don't give up, you're gonna fix it. That's how I did it. So yeah, I don't know if this video will help you ever or not, but at least if I gave you some advice how to be more determined when you have to fix something, I'll be happy. Don't forget, click and subscribe, share our videos if you think they are useful, and yeah, by this you're supporting our channel to grow up, do more videos for you, and yes, we'll see you guys on next videos. Bye bye.